Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to get metal rods in Sand. Metal rods are uncommon crafting materials that become increasingly important as you progress through the game. They're used for a variety of mid to late game tech tree upgrades, as well as crafting better weapons and equipment. The best way to find them is by looting rare crates of shells, the green-coloured versions marked with a cannon icon on the lid. These crates can spawn at smaller points of interest, such as shipwrecks and abandoned camps, but you'll find many more of them in major named locations like towns, forts, and other large landmarks. Most rare crates of shells have a high chance of containing metal rods, along with other useful combat supplies. Whenever you come across one, make it a priority to loot it. Since metal rods are used in many tech tree upgrades and crafting recipes, it's worth stockpiling them whenever you have the chance. Having plenty on hand will save you from making extra farming trips later on. As always, stay alert while looting. Valuable areas often attract hostile NPCs and other players, so make sure you extract safely with everything you've collected. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.